kanda akubechiche uta. In 3 weeks time mana ya tawoka. Mama. Mo hello timere. Ndewo hello timere. Ndewo ma.
Good morning.
Mama bi omma road okwe. Okay, yes. Ndewo ma. Hello timere ma. Okay, ndewo ma. Hello talk and that. Talk. I get square. Up front takere. Car side road. Side road though. No. Baby come na farm. I just not be well. You know. I think they enjoy.
Nah, no be smart, you know. As a chaplain ruler, some people are not argue, can you build this thing like this? Can you build? All the 100% possible. All money. The reason why sometimes you chulo, anyhow, because you don't have steps. You don't have the money to bring it to that reality. You only build the just, you know, a half year. No good finishing, no good test. Sometimes you watch why and when go to build to that test. Man, because of now hand with the right people that will help them to grow, that will bring hand with I don't know let him because of now hand with the right engineer that can help them to build that in Hatter. So you only try to show what you do, connecting yourself to the right people that will help you to grow and showcase your handwork. This is what we are talking about. There is power in social media. Social media has connected us to a lot of people. Social media has connected us to a lot of people. Billionaires, not just people, but billionaires. Somebody you meet today, you become friends with the person, you do business, you get your money. You know, that's what we call cool, legit money. But even sometimes, when you are telling people that this thing you can put it to reality, they will be doubting it, you know. But anything you are seeing here is what we can do. This is just small part of what we can do. If you are ready, if you want to embark, contact us. We shall always give you the best, as we are always trying to promote what we do. We pray to God to always connect us to the right clients. Not be all these clients where they give wahala. We pray to God to connect us to the right people that will help us grow in what we do. So this is an example of what I can do. Okay? So this is an example of what Afunwa can do. As you are seeing it here, this is my work. So anywhere you see this work, another person post it, just know that this is the person that posted it is not his work. This is my work. I started from scratching till this point. Okay? So this is what we can do, and this is our work. We are always showcasing our work so that God can always connect us to the right people that will help us to grow. Appreciate us by sharing our work. Share to your friends. Okay? This is the stage I know now. This is the stage we are. So, and we are happy and thanking God that we have been striving to survive so that we can always, you know, stay connected with the right people that will help us to grow in what we do. So this is not magic. This is the real deal. So if you think we are here to scam you, now you sabi. But this is me, Afunwa. A lot of people would like to see me on video call before they tell me they want to do this, they want to do that. So this is my face. Any other face that you see that tells you that he's the one that built it, no, listen to that person. No, that person wants to scam you. So as you are seeing me here, I believe you have been seeing my live videos. I do my live videos almost every day, promoting my work and showing how I do it. So if you are part of us, if you are part of Afunwa family, kindly share our work. Share to your friends. We want to gain more followers. If you are following me, keep following me. You are in the right track. You are in the right track. I must tell you the truth. So keep following me. Keep sharing my work. Now some people, they become celebrity engineer. Then go to do their work. Then they go. So keep following us. Keep sharing what we do. Yes, all of us, one day everybody will do okay. A lot of people that I never believed that they will contact me. Many of them are contacting me. It is just because of our good work. We have been getting connected to a lot of people, both those in abroad, those in Nigeria as well that has good tests. Even those that are not in, even the people that are not even Nigerians. Like yesterday, I sent my drawing to America. He's a Ghanaian, but he lives in America. I finished his drawing and I sent it to him as well. So this is what we can do. When we say we can do, this is what we can do. This is one of them. This is not the best house I've built so far, but this is one of them. So we always try to improve in what we do. All right? So we always try to improve in what we do. So that we can always stay connected with the right people that will help us to achieve all that we had in mind. It's not easy. Construction is not easy, but it only takes time, to manifest. When you are good, you are good. When you are good, you are good. When you sabi, you sabi. When you know sabi, you know sabi. And there is no how you can do to do it better unless you start making an improvement. That is the only way you can achieve all this. So construction is a technical work. It goes with the mind. First of all, you come out with a design, a concept, then you put it to be a design. Then from design, you start thinking on how to evaluate it, putting it up to be a reality, just as you can see it here. There is nobody that will see this kind of work and say the work is not good. So this is one of the things we can do. So when we say we can always do better. So connect us to the right people that can help us to grow as well, because we are still growing. Yes, we are still growing. So we always pray to God to connect us to the right people. Look at the external finish. You can see the fence. Everything looks nice. Everything looks good. You can see it. You can see the cap. When you want to build, you build something that you always feel good whenever you are home. Even if it's the place that you built, you'll be comfortable with it. Even if it's bungalow that is downstairs, you'll be happy that you achieved something. It is not the one you build and you always feel sad, So this is just one of the things that we can do. No say people that can't carry this work say that then do them.
People don't want you to start, collect money for people. One day you're going to be here, they will take on apart from us. So they don't buy this house.
Yeah, this is the right elevation.
They dug that motor, yes.
As you can see,
Engineer,
Oh boy, come out your face.
what you go do now? Make sure if my face show for this thing, this is not this is your
Come out your face, I beg. This is the front view. Now the front view will enter like this. Yeah, this is the left view. This is the left view. This is the obese stroke relaxation area, as we may have it here. You don't turn to Dogu bitters, right?